Monday, banana, celery, berries, ginger. This kickstarts fat burning by 125%. Fat cells start melting in just 20 minutes, and your metabolism speeds up like crazy. Tuesday, celery, avocado, grapes, kefir. Your skin gets renewed from within instantly. Collagen bounces back, toxins get flushed out, and your face is glowing by evening. Wednesday, carrot, apple, tomato. Your immune system triples in strength. Antibodies multiply super fast, and your body's defenses work at full speed. Thursday, carrot, banana, yellow tomatoes, raspberry, kefir. This gives you 300% energy. Tiredness goes away for good, and you get twice as productive. Friday, lettuce, apple, grapes, chia seeds. Toxins completely gone. Digestion works perfectly. Your belly feels instantly lighter. You feel super light all over. Saturday, dragon fruit, carrot, apple, strawberry, almond milk. Your confidence goes through the roof. People can't take their eyes off you. Charisma is off the charts. The Sunday smoothie recipe